inje kuru bwana bwane obugambi obulime yani Arasa nirite rio obugambi onye tandukire omugambi olenge inje kuru ekerengo somo uwali primary kuru klasi amba klasi 8 nilikuwa kiongozi then ekerenje the Hema Secondary School Chitago inkaba a class representative from Form 1 up to Form 4. Koro Form 4 ngachorwe student president ya Hema Secondary School. Koro nkaira na Ibacho Secondary School jere kiamu kama ward. Koro ngachorwa ne president ya school eyo. Kakura koro we even set a record ama somo. I used to have meetings na wanafunzi. Then we forged the way forward. Na kito weta. No enda Ibacho bono iga. 2014 ocheki mini yoro. We are the people who set the record in Ibacho. Kuro ngaja Kisii University.
Yes.
Kisii University, I was a student chairperson wa Kusadisa. Kusadisa is Kisii University Students Against Drug Abuse. Then I was involved myself in peer counseling.
Yes.
Kosemia aba wanafunzi ba minto bale university. Kuro peace ambassador chiringanji to morembe. Kisii University. Kuro abu nonye singo sobi. By the way ngosomi kuchipokere mahatari. Banganje bagondenda tata onye ndikuwarenga gange twagwekero. Igo bono obugambi buko bwati sogochi. Bati bono nganje te Nyaribari yitu. Nganje te gusi yitu. Ndagete kewe gingena Nyasaye gitumeke ga gusi yitu ndeta magendero. I push for good things to be done in Nyaribari Masaba, Kisii County, and even Gusii, the whole Gusii. Igo obugambi imbo maede narara ire gocha. I have dealt with the students. I have dealt even currently.
Yes.
Nincho still. It's a school inde as I'm leading students there, and I'm guiding them. Saving tebinge na kimasomo.
Okay. Ono ndoje biro naro bikumya sana kolengana muna ni agenda kiyo bwate ujia somo na inchi wa Nyaribari Masaba.
Nyaribari Masaba omobunge oikomanye gasi yawo nambeyemo chipara chietike Nyaribari Masaba. Hiyo ndio agenda number 1. Number 2, amasomo asabana bensi ekerukuru chipaseri chirwe ugo chikero mwana tadino yogo supported we utago support na tomwa you distribute equally which asabana bonds wa Nyaribari Masaba.
Yes.
Egendo kende estima Nyaribari Masaba maita sinare estimate raika. They always text me every day. Kuro estimate yekere achire kiro mondaya anyoru burabu abana bakosoma ekera baite babantu bamana in the future.
Yes.
Egendo kende I will create job opportunities for the youths. O keroro mobunge tori ikaransa ali okirede injuga of public participation, ongea na vijana wasikize wakwambie. You know, vijana bangi bachire school batabuwa chigas. Ekero iganze vijana, they are very creative. Kurondo wa the digital learning. Na bono studio ga. We teach our students, our children on how to become the best people in this field. Corona ando wa the e-learning. Ni gole nonye computer hub Nyaribari Masaba. Ekosomia bana ba Nyaribari Masaba. Egendo gende akwana ndigoro ya earth sha. Ekenalika ngaromo bunga government yone. Dadena afya ya birembe. Na njingisi ko mo bunge ikena kingna pushes national government. Amagonde neki na health services are developed neji county. Ekeroro mo bunge na yokorosi policies in the national government. Naye ekuchagerali itarike county ka. Egendo kende Nyaribari Masaba ndi kunyarikana jensango anye kuchimutuka. I can even start an hospital Nyaribari Masaba. Nyaribari Masaba hospital. Ikuruali abantu betu batari kunyara. ikonya abanto nyimba gote mechando ya maiso mebere ku bahati tubakonya ng'egari. That's the agenda. Togotenda ne count yoga. You have to take part. As a leader, you must stretch. Togo kira naga, ika nongo, ngugamba maka naika. Yeah. Iko na mangi, na naro bachi konde mutuga, injira na bakonya.